Today we're announcing the first ratings in our new Whiplash prevention test, which is part of our overall crashworthiness evaluations. Rear impact crashes are extremely common. They're the most common crash on the roadways today. And so this means that they affect a lot of people and there's a lot of injuries related to them. And so we're doing this testing to make sure that automakers are designing the best seats possible in order to reduce those injuries and prevent those long-term consequences and disabilities for occupants. iihs has been evaluating seats for whiplash protection for over 20 years. This original test did a great job at reducing injuries and improving seat designs, but we're still seeing that people are getting injured in these crashes in the real world. And so we're introducing this new test to encourage further improvements in seat and head restraint designs. This new test is more challenging not only because we added a new severity, but also because we reassessed how we're evaluating seats. So in this new test, we are encouraging automakers to have good head and spine support. We're encouraging stable interaction between the head and head restraint, and we're encouraging automakers to have good energy management in the seat. And so we want to make sure that the seat is managing the energy and absorbing the energy and not the occupant. In this first test group, we rated 18 small SUVs, and we had 4 good ratings, 9 acceptable ratings, 2 marginal ratings, and 3 poor ratings. We had 4 good performers in this test series, and those included the Toyota RAV4, the Hyundai Ioniq 5, the Subaru Forester, and the Audi Q3. So these vehicles did well across both test severities and all of our design strategies. So they did a good job with head and spine support, stable interaction between the head and the head restraint, and minimizing the energy transferred to the occupant. We had 3 vehicles that were poor performers in this test series. Those included the Hyundai Tucson, the Mazda CX-50, and the Ford Bronco Sport. So these vehicles had elevated measures in most of the categories that we're looking at. Consumers who are looking for the best whiplash protection in a new vehicle should consider other options. Anytime iihs introduces a new ratings program, automakers respond quickly and improve designs. So we hope to see that those vehicles in the marginal and poor categories can improve and get into the good category. iihs safety ratings provide consumers with a lot of helpful information for selecting a safe vehicle. This new whiplash prevention test adds another key piece of information to help them choose the safest vehicle possible. Whether you're driving an older vehicle or a brand new vehicle, the best way to protect yourself in a rear impact crash is to properly adjust your head restraint. And this means making sure that it's as close as possible to your head and high enough to support your head in a crash. Just like wearing your seatbelt, adjusting your head restraint is a simple step that you can take to protect yourself in a crash.